In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email profile picture in Google Workspace. This walkthrough is for administrators who manage user accounts in an organization. Updating a user's profile photo here will show up across Google services like Gmail, Calendar, and Chat, helping teammates recognize each other easily. Before we begin, make sure you have an appropriate high-quality image ready on your computer. A square photo works best, ideally clear, well-lit, and professional. Common image formats like JPG and PNG are supported. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Admin Console. Sign in with an account that has admin privileges for your organization. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're in the correct admin account so you see the Admin Console homepage. From the homepage, look for Directory. This area is where you manage people and profiles across your workspace. If you don't see it immediately, use the left-hand menu to expand the options. Next, open Users. This displays the list of all user accounts in your organization. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific user. Searching by their name usually gets you there fastest. When you find the person whose photo you want to change, select their account to open the user details page. On the user's profile page, look for the existing avatar or the placeholder circle. Click it to open the photo options, then choose the option to change or upload a photo. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where you've saved the image, select it, and confirm. If a cropping or zoom tool appears, adjust the frame so the face is centered and fills most of the circle. This helps the photo look crisp in small places like email threads. When you're satisfied, save or apply the changes. After you save, the new picture might take a few minutes to update everywhere. If you don't see it right away in Gmail or other apps, refresh the page or give it a bit of time to propagate across Google services. Keep in mind that some organizations control whether users can change their own photos. If your users can't edit theirs, changing it here in the Admin Console ensures the correct image appears across the workspace. That's all there is to it. By going to the Admin Console, opening Directory, selecting users, choosing the right account, and uploading a new image, you've successfully updated the email profile picture in Google Workspace.